In this video, I'm going to show you how you can turn off autoplay on Twitter. For more tutorials, make sure you subscribe, and let's get right into it. So if you are wanting videos and media on Twitter to stop playing automatically, what you can do is you can simply open up your Twitter app. Once you open up your Twitter app, from here you will need to go to the three lines in the top left corner. Click on that, and then you will need to select Settings and Privacy. Once you select Settings and Privacy, you will get an whole load of options here, and under General, one of them is Accessibility. So if you click on Accessibility, what that will do is it will bring up these couple of options here. And if you want to stop videos playing automatically, what you can do is go to Video Autoplay, and at the moment, as you can see, mine says Mobile Data and Wi-Fi. If you go ahead, click on that, you'll get three options. So you'll get Mobile Data and Wi-Fi, Wi-Fi only and never. And if you want to turn this off completely, just select never, and then that will be updated in your settings. So that's how you can turn off autoplay on Twitter.